Let's go through now how you can pin other Slingshot assets into the pin area. So right now I have this section for my homepage, and I have a link right to the homepage, and I have a copy doc. But I also have a conversation going on about the homepage, and I have tasks. There's two different ways that I can bring them into this area so that I have everything in one location. One is I can come to pin, and I have the option to go pick some tasks. I can pick discussions. I can also pick dashboards and data sources. So for this, let's pick discussions. And within my content calendar, my content list, I have this homepage refresh discussion. I'm just going to pin that. Another way that I can do that is if I go to my tasks here, I have my homepage update tasks that say I was in this context. I can just come here. I can copy a link right to this task, or I could copy a link to the whole list, whatever it is that you need. Come back to pins, and then I can even choose a URL and just paste that link here, and it'll pull in the Slingshot resource just like that. Same thing that I can do with my dashboards. So I'm working on my homepage updates, and I want to know how it's going to affect my traffic. I'll come here, I'll grab a link to the pin, and again, I could have also done it this way. Just do it quickly. If I go to dashboards into my content calendar, I can grab this dashboard and I can pin it here. Now, everything that I need for my homepage is here. I have a link to the website. I have the copy doc. I have the conversations going on about it. I have the tasks and actions that we're taking for it. And I have dashboards of my analytics right here in a very organized fashion.